Watch me play Animal Hospital with my sister. No, Wrathy, don't cry. It's okay, buddy.
Why is he crying over him? I thought they didn't like each other. MWAH. Bye-bye, Ron. My sister killed him later into our playthrough. Rip the little guy. He will be missed. Ask if they need maple syrup. Why? Just why? Being Canadian isn't an illness. I was waiting for the animal, but Barney came and I dropped everything to say hi. Kisses for the lovey man. She told me to fix the cam. Now she runs into a wall.
I will throw this chair at if you click that bell one more times.
Remembering I had a different job. Wrathy, my baby. AHH has so cute. Bye-bye, Wrathy. Doing my job. I'll show something with them in a sec. Visiting literally no one. I think he should be in a different hospital. I'll just leave him alone with whatever he's in there with. Later in our playthrough, this happened for time in a row. She said no one will know, but I will, and so will all of you. Sorry, buddy. Barney Yippee. I asked if I could give him the coffee, that's why I was jumping. More kisses for Barney. Coffee time. Just don't tell him I took some. I was already going before she asked me to get it. Is bald. AHH. Still love him though. Oh, our special visitor left after visiting no one. She's so pro, right? Okay, bye bye.